to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share my 7-day skin regimen which I have personally followed myself in order to get rid of the acne. As you can see, I have one acne over here and one over here. You can see few small acne over here. So recently I have got to know about a very beautiful brand called Glamours, and I have ordered few of its products in order to tackle this emerging acne from my skin, and as well as I have also bought their serum in order to get a glowing and good skin, because even if you have an oily skin, it is very important for us to moisturize our skin, because the moisturizers are a sort of food for the skin. So it becomes very important to take care of the oily skin in the correct way, and therefore I trust only the good brands. So let me just go through all the 7 days which I have gone through, and let me show you the effect of these two beautiful products on my skin. So as you can see over here, I have started applying their super spotless AM to PM potent pimple formula, which not only controls the skin eruptions, but it also calms the redness, and it also soothes your skin.
Its Dream Skin Daily Radiance Facial Oil is meant to be used daily before going to bed, and it has got the natural extracts of more than 10 plants. Yes, you heard it right. It has the oil of more than 10 plants in it, including saffron, tamanu and bak choy. So I just apply it and go to sleep. The second day I also followed the same regime, but this time I followed this after coming back from my office. I applied this gel, and then after 15-20 minutes I applied the serum, and I really liked it as it made my skin soft and supple. And then later I slept. The third day I followed the same regime, but this time I followed it before my bedtime when I washed my face, and I applied all these products in a gap of again 15 to 20 minutes. I just wanted to see a good effect of the same, so I'm gonna show you the effect of using these two products for more than 5 days. You can see how effectively and beautifully these products turning out to be on my skin. I was too curious to see the effect of the same, so I continued using the same for 7 days, and I must say that these two products are super amazing. And now I'm gonna show you what effect it gave my skin after 7 days.
So as you can see, my pimples have started going. I am really not having any pimple, just a little lump over here, but there's nothing. Wow. And you know what, that I have been following this ritual for last 6 days, and I'm so amazed to see this beautiful result on my skin. Wow. And you can see my skin is also shining, and I haven't done any kind of facial or anything like that. Trust me guys, this is the natural glow which I'm getting after using their serum. However, I can just see that these are very chronic, you could say, marks on my skin, which doctor has also told me that will go only through laser. But if I talk about the marks over here, the pimple marks, it's actually gone. Oh my god. I am super amazed with this results. Yeah, there is no acne at all, and plus point is there is no spot, acne spot over here. So it's so good. I am super happy to use this. So as you can see, there is no acne on my skin.
However, I have applied this beautiful gel in the morning also, which I forgot to shoot because I always was in a hurry to go to my office.
And I'm so happy after using this super spotless gel. I also want to tell you that this serum has given me a natural glow. So with this Dream Skin Daily Radiance Facial Oil, my skin neither feel dry nor feel greasy, and I found this particular serum very good and effective for all type of skins. And personally, let me also tell you the best part which I like about it is that it has saffron, tamanu and bak choy oil, which you know is very good for skin. Saffron, we eat saffron, you know, to get a fair glow on our skin. And at the same time, tamanu and bak oil are good ingredients in order to get rid of the dark spots or the pigmentation. And as you must have seen my previous clip, that I was having huge acne on my skin over here and here and here, and now with the usage of these two beautiful products by Glamours, I am neither having any acne on my skin nor I am having any kind of dryness or greasiness on my skin. So these are my favorite Gotta Go products this season. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. I am also going to put all the related links of the product and the brand in the description box below. So please do check them out and buy these products, try them yourself and share your review and feedback about the same in the comment sections below. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.